Hello friends, welcome to my channel IIT JEE Physics classes. Here we are going to discuss polynomials. This is part 2. So there are three kinds of polynomials based on the numbers of terms, like monomial. Mono means one term only. 3x is a monomial, 5y square monomial, 7xy is also a monomial because they are having only one term. If there are two terms, so we call them binomial. Bi means two, mono means one, and tri means three. So if there are three terms like x cube 4x plus 3 and they are being added like this, then this will make a trinomial polynomial. So it is a binomial. These ones are monomials. Degree of a polynomial: the largest exponent in a term. Like we have one polynomial here and we have to check the largest exponent in a particular term. So first we will check this term. Here we can see we need to check the exponent of variables only, not the constants. So x is variable here, its exponent is 5, and in this variable the exponent of y is 3. So largest is 5, right? Not 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 5. Same way you have to check the exponents in each term, and the largest exponent will be the degree of that polynomial. So check here. So there are two variables x and y. So the exponent we need to add up, like the 2 for x and 2 for y, 2 plus 2. So this here it is 4 and here exponent is 3. So which one is greater, 4 or 3? 4. So the degree of this polynomial is 4. The third polynomial here you can see the exponent is 5. Here the exponent of x is 1 and for y it is 3. So 1 plus 3, that is 4. So 5 is greater than 4. So 5 is the degree of this polynomial. So we have to check the greatest exponent in a particular term. I hope you understood these topics. Download Unacademy Learners app and subscribe for iconic subscription for IIT JEE. If you subscribe 6 months, you will get 1 month free. For 18 months, you will get 2 months free. This offer is valid from 14 to 22nd December. IIT JEE Mega Combat, 19 December at 11 am. There are exciting gifts for 500 lucky participants. So participate here. On Unacademy mobile app, there is a feature called Doubts and Solutions. Here you can upload up to 3 doubts in one go and get the matching solution in the preferred language. Unacademy Champion Leagues, the aptitude test on 18th, 19th and 26th December 1 p.m. onward. Here you can win 100% plus subscription for 1 year if you rank between 1 to 10. I hope you like this video. Subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.